Ready to go?
Yeah! We're gonna make burritos tonight?
Yeah.
Good. Does that feel like too much pasta?
Fajitas.
I was thinking, so what we maybe do, we try and get home by like 6 or 7.
Yeah.
And then we'll start cooking, because it won't take long. And then, once we're done, we go for a walk and get gelati and stuff.
Sounds good to me.
Rice. Yeah.
We've got Cocoa Pops. I think they're I really want to say that. I really want to say that's Greek, but yes, yes. I'm pretty sure that's Greek. Oh, there's a fun game on the back. What is this? I don't know because I don't read Greek. Alright. We woke up pretty late today. Had just a lazy morning. So we're just gonna hang around the shops today. Take a look at the there's a big department, what do you call it? Shopping mall here. Maybe go for a swim. I don't know, it's a bit hard because there's no shade. What do you reckon, Locke?
It's pretty hard.
There's no shade. And Lockie gets bit really easily, so we'll just see. If we do go for a swim, it'll probably just be like pop down on those rocks down there and hop in, hop out. Run! Run! Alright, we're off. Where are we going? Enjoy your milkshake?
I'm satisfied with my decision to get a chocolate milkshake.
I'm unsatisfied with my decision to get a Maltese beer that tastes like actual urine. I tried my best though. It's only €2.
Half a bottle left.
No, I don't. That's not half a bottle. What are you talking about? I drank most. Chef Lockie has prepared us burritos tonight.
Yeah, dude.
They look really good. Yum. Thanks, Locke. Sunscreen time. I should show you around our little apartment. This is the kitchen / living area. We've got a TV, but it's only got satellite, and it's only got satellite. It's a little bit crappy. This is our dining table. We have all the necessary amenities, minus a sponge, a scourer, and a wooden spoon, which is quite disappointing actually. Here's our fridge. Hey Locke, we'll make those roast potatoes tonight. And if you just follow me on through here, we've got a little outdoor area with a table and a barbecue. Hey, we should have taken advantage of having the barbecue. The barbecue. In here we've got a little laundry and a second bedroom. Everything's really spacious, which is nice. I haven't actually looked in here. We actually had 2 German guys just knock on the door because one of their mates dropped his t-shirt from the balcony down into our living area, and they asked Lockie how many people were staying here because our apartment must be so much bigger than theirs. Yeah, it's like you just hit a wall of heat when you go outside here. This street is one way, but you still have to look both ways because no one really pays attention to the road rules here. I don't know if you can see, but check out the electrical wires. It's insane, look at them. Check that out. There's been roadworks going on in the street near us and we just absolutely refuse to walk past it because we're so scared that something will fall on us like a crane. This morning we're going to visit a medieval city called Mdina, which is actually where they filmed part of Game of Thrones, which is quite exciting. There's actually a lot of famous movies filmed in Malta, including Troy. And the new Assassin's Creed film with Michael Fassbender is currently filming here, which I was very excited to learn. We haven't seen him yet. I wish. Very Game of Thronesy.
This actually looks like my house back at home.
You wish.
It does, I tell you. Same garden and everything.
So this is the walled city. Cool.
Together. I take two.
I have no idea what I'm filming because it's too bright to see. So hopefully this is good.
Okay, parallel, I got that.
We're just having lunch now. We've ordered a margarita pizza. Locky cake. No olives. And I'm really gutted because I just realised I ordered water instead of kiwi.
No kidney for you.
For the people that don't know, Guinea is the Maltese soft drink, and it's like, it looks like Coke, but it's actually quite bitter. It's like made out of oranges. Oh, well, I love it. No one else seems to like it. Yeah. Yeah. I've noticed like Europe has this thing. They don't do like proper cold anything. Like their fridges aren't cold. We always get like kind of cold drinks. Really sucks. That's how we feel about it. Loki's trying pastry.
Yeah.
It's a Maltese pastry. Generally they have ricotta in them. My favourite's got pea inside it. Peas. That's attractive. Look. Nice? Yeah? It's really good. Yummy. Roast potatoes dinner. Pasta sauce. Yeah. No, we didn't, Nan.
You didn't come.
No.
The more people, 60.
It's so huge.
Sorry.
No, you're right.
Too big, it was too big.
I can't believe how big it is. It's ridiculous.
Look at Nashar and Dominar.
Mamma يدوش النشر.
San Grigor, naħseb nistema minna.
ليه ذاك الزري سانجرجو راو. ما سانجرجو عندهم ذاك النوع.
Mandomx.